Welcome to today's Excel tip. It's possible that when you have a pivot table, you can filter the table visually using slices. Let's see how to do it. Click anywhere within your pivot table, so the pivot table tools will appear. Go to the Analyze tab and then Insert Slices in the Filter section. And the Insert Slices dialog box will come in. Let's choose country, quarter, and product as our slices. Click OK, and the free size slices will appear. So I'm going to resize the slices. So once you click the slicer and drag it, you see these small dots at the corners. These dots allow you to resize the slices. So I'm going to resize all three of the slices, so the quarter should be a little bit smaller. So the quarter, I'll put the product underneath. If you make it very small, you see scroll bars, which make it convenient to scroll through your products or any slicer that you may have. Let me put a country slicer to the right hand side. And you can filter your data. Let's say I want all Q1 data. So these are the Q1 sums. I want Q2, Q3, or Q4. Or I want Q1, Q2, Q4 for Benin or Egypt. If I hold the Shift key and press two of the countries, they both highlight. So this is for Benin and Egypt. So that's how to use these slices. You can clear filters on each of the slices. So that quickly allows me to visually just use a visual tool to filter my pivot table. I can also click on a slicer and go to the options pane for the slicer in the slicer tools options. Then I can change the slicer style. So I can choose a different style for the slicer. So whichever style suits my fancy. I'm choose a dark one for this. For the quarter slicer, let me make it greenish. And for the product slicer, let me make it bluish. So here I can even filter my slicer based on product. So product, and then I can even add another one to the product and country. So this is A11 products for Tanzania, and this is the sales that I had. So slices allow us to really drill down in our data visually, quickly. Try it out and let me know how it goes.